I was like, is that right? Do I need to clean my glasses? Like, is that right? Am I looking at this right? I hit 100 subscribers? Like, what? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been gone for like a month or so, and basically I've just been, contemplating about like, is YouTube like really what I want to do? Is it like something that I can see in the future? And I've been having like doubts about my channel, but recently my channel just hit 100 subscribers, and that was like my main goal for like years, is to hit 100 subscribers. And like in the past I would just like, not post and be inconsistent, and when I had those when I was inconsistent in the past, I would just lose subscribers. I'm pretty sure if I was inconsistent, if I was consistent throughout those like, years, or throughout the year. I've been on YouTube for about 3 years. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think 3 years or so. And so, it's difficult, being a YouTuber and a small YouTuber, and you don't get like a lot of views, don't get like thousands of views. I had one video blow up. Well, it's not really like blow up, but to me it's like blowing up because usually my videos maybe get like 9 or 10 views. Some even do like 100, and some does like 30 to 40 views. So, it all depends on the content or what I'm creating and how good it is. But like, it's like hard for me to like branch out and do videos that like I really want to do because they don't get the views, and feel like I'm like putting all this work and like no one's watching it. So like I've been having like those types of like doubts in my, I guess I'm about to say career, but in my YouTube journey. So like it's like really hard for me. But like I woke up the other day, I think it was like yesterday, and I went into like YouTube Studio, and like I was like, is that right? Do I need to clean my glasses? Like, is that right? Am I looking at this right? I hit 100 subscribers? Like, what? I just want to say thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for 100 subscribers. Like, it really means like a lot to me. Like, I actually miss you guys. Like, I miss like making videos, and like I miss interacting with you guys in the comment sections. I recently got comments like on older videos, but I like just like miss like making videos. I miss like, doing videos. So basically the reason why I haven't been posting is because of work. As you can see, I have like a cast on my finger, and I have a wrist brace on my finger. So that's like the main reason I haven't been posting, because due to work, I've had like a lot of injuries. Like ever since I started working at my new job, like I love the job, don't get me wrong, I love my job, but it's like I have to stand on my feet all day. I'm just like serving food, so my wrist hurts because I'm like serving like food, like doing this, like dipping into food like all day. Like imagine doing this like all day, like it's hurting my wrist and stuff. I take breaks, but like when it's super busy, like on like a Friday night or like a Friday morning, or like maybe like Saturday, or mostly like in my night shifts, like that's when like it's like non-stop, like boom, like I'm serving food. And like imagine like doing that for like, I don't know, 6 to 7 hours just serving food. So that's why my wrist hurts, and like my fingers hurt because I have this thing called trigger finger. This is like what it is. It's basically because of I've been like grasping onto, like, I obviously can't do it with this hand, but like imagine like grasping on a handle, or like grasping on a spoon for like ever. So it's like if you're like, like serving food and stuff like that, it like had like a toll on my hands. And like I also have to like change up like hot pans and stuff. So like at the end of the workday, like my hands are like super red. I get first degree burn like every single day, and I get like blisters on my hands and stuff. And then like I noticed that my right hand was like swelling, and it like hurt to bend my hand. especially like this finger, it's gotten like a lot better. The swelling has gone down on these two fingers because I've been wearing these splints like when I'm not like doing stuff, like when I'm not drawing, when I'm not like, mostly like when I sleep. So I just got these like a few weeks ago or a few days ago. Yeah, a few days ago. And they really have helped a lot. They helped like the swelling go down because like these were the symptoms of trigger finger, and I was having trigger finger in all 4 of these fingers, and like I noticed that this hand was like, my fingers were like thicker than this hand, my non-dominant hand. I'm like, what is going on? And it like hurt to like bend my hand like this, like all the time. And I was like, what is going on? And especially like this finger, like it was like this like popping sensation. Like it would like, when I bend my hand, it would get like stuck and then like go like pop back up. So that's why I've been gone. I've actually like made videos, I just haven't like edited them yet. So basically this is like, I'm coming back soon. I will be posting next week. I've already like planned those videos out and I already like filmed them. I just gotta edit them. So yeah guys, so I'm back, and hopefully my fingers will not hurt when I want to make a video. You hear me? What is wrong with me? Anyways, so yeah, I think I have a few bloopers that I want to share with you guys as well. So stay tuned and come watch some of my old videos with me. So since I hit I'm about to say a million. I'm about to say a million. Oh, it's so cold. Turn this heat on. God, it's so cold. Oh my gosh. Welcome back to my channel. So I've been gone for like, oh my god, I have to sneeze. Every time I film, there's something gone, there's something wrong. Like every time I film, like it doesn't want me to film. Oh my gosh. Next. Yo, tell me why this morning I woke up and, oh, that's how I do it. What in the world? I didn't even know how to work my washer fluids. I just found out. Idiot. Bro, that's how you do it? Oh my gosh. I'm professional. The stairs are ugly. Ugh. Of course, my big forehead's not in the frame. Showing you how I draw with graphite. What? Graphite. Along with some tips and chips. All right, I must be hungry. Thing gets everywhere. This thing does not do it. This thing is going to save your life. No. Oh my god. Only Jesus can do that.